Feels good to be back. What's up, guys? Andrew here on my channel, Geared Inc., where I get to share what I'm passionate about with you. And on my channel, that's PC tech, games, and gear. Today, we're talking about this A7070 GPU from Intel. I'm giving it away. I want to talk a lot about kind of stuff going on, but let's get the giveaway out of the way. For people who are here for that, totally fine. So first off, you do need to be subscribed to the channel. All the details are going to be down in the description below. The winner will be announced on Twitter and Instagram, so that's where I will tell you, like everybody, if you win. When I draw out a name, by the way, I email you directly, so check your spam filters, and you've got 48 hours to respond, and if you don't, basically reply to me, we pick again. So that's all the details. It's down in the description. This is USA only because with shipping and everything right now, inflation just costs too much to send it overseas. I'm sorry, guys. If you're not in the US, sorry, but I wanted help where I can. Now, these giveaways are only possible because I basically banked my affiliate money from Amazon for the last like 4 months or whatever it is to cover the cost of this GPU. And so if you want to continue to see these types of giveaways on my channel, then make sure that if you like something that I review or, to support me, you buy through that link because that's how I actually get, basically a little bit of help. And so that's what I would suggest if you want to continue to see this type of content. Obviously, if there's something I review that you like. I am going to be doing benchmarking on this, and so you guys can see relative performance. This competes around like a 3060 Ti. And so you guys can see all that. I'm excited to do that video for you as well. But for anybody who wants to know where I've been for the last year, basically on this channel, is I had a family member who had cancer. Unfortunately, they have passed, but that was the bigger part of my life for the last year. So now that things have kind of normalized, you will see a lot more content from my channel. I'm basically going to be splitting it up between shorts, news reviews, and benchmarks. I'm going to try and kind of niche down just because with time constraints and other things, I want to provide high quality content, but I want it to be in a way that's digestible for you and fits with my schedule. So anyway, just expect that. But hey guys, good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway. Share this. You do need to be subscribed to the channel, and make sure you share this with many people as possible. I want to generate as much momentum going into 2023 as we can. So expect more giveaways as long as you guys continue to support me. As always, leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. If it was trash for whatever reason, leave me a thumbs down. Remember to get subscribed and hit the bell icon so you know when these videos drop next. And I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate all of you. Good luck to everybody, and I hope to see every one of you next time here on Geared Inc.